All right, we got the block painted. We have the head primed. We have a couple more pieces I've got put out that we need to prime and paint. Tappet cover, intake manifold, and oil filter housing. So these are all going to be Cummins beige as well. We are going to have some accent colors on it, but just not on these parts. These are all going to be Cummins beige. So let's get these primed and painted and keep moving forward. Alright guys, that was a short video, but that was a ton of work to mask everything off, get it all painted, but it turned out awesome. Let me know what you guys think about the Cummins beige. I'm in love with it, so I think it's going to look really, really nice when it's all put together. So the next two videos, we are going to be building this motor. I've got a buddy named Cade who's been a subscriber of the channel for a long time. He's going to come out, help me build the motor. We're going to get everything done. Pretty much everything until we can put the exhaust manifold and the turbo on. So thanks for the support, and we will see you in the next video.